Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to winter-proof your strawberries, blueberries, and perennial favorites, so you can wake up to a lush, thriving garden next spring. A little effort now means bigger harvests and healthier plants later, and trust me, even the smallest changes can make a huge difference. If you love practical gardening tips, don't forget to tap like and subscribe. You'll be first in line for all the best advice right when you need it. Let's start with strawberries. These guys are tougher than they look, but winter can still sneak up and steal those precious flower buds. Start by cleaning up the bed. Remove any dead leaves or mushy berries to keep mold and pests from hanging around. Wait for your first hard frost, then cover the crowns with 2 to 4 inches of clean straw or shredded leaves. That mulch keeps the soil temperature steady and protects roots from freeze-thaw cycles. If you're growing in containers or raised beds, give them a little extra love. Wrap the pots or group them together near a wall for extra wind protection. Next up, blueberries. They're pretty hardy, but young plants or certain varieties need backup. Spread 3 to 5 inches of pine needles, bark mulch, or wood chips around the base to insulate and keep that soil acidic. Blueberries love it that way. If you get a ton of snow, gently tie branches with soft twine so they don't snap under heavy ice. And don't forget to water deeply before the ground freezes. Hydrated roots handle cold way better than dry ones. Finally, perennials. Most just need a winter haircut. Trim back the ones you should, but leave ornamental grasses and seed heads for some natural insulation. Add a winter mulch ring of shredded leaves or compost, keeping it a few inches from the stems to avoid rot. And trust me, mark where your plants are. Flags save lives when the snow flies and you're out clearing a path. Take those extra minutes to winter-proof your garden now, and you'll be rewarded with robust growth and bumper crops in spring. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. More straightforward, no-fuss gardening advice is coming your way.